Damn, he's even got like a partial like undercowl or something.
I'm sorry, wait, who are you? Captain America.
He's Captain America! No way.
Oh, dude.
No way.
Is he repairing the history?
Oh. Did they really? Sam, really?
Kind of a statue and a monument. Oh.
Now they'll never forget what you did for this country.
Oh.
Hell yeah. So bitch, man. Damn good show.
Oh gosh. Oh! He got the suit!
Oh!
It looks
yeah!
so good! Yes. I can cry. He looks so good. There you
Yes!
are! The
I wonder
museum?
if there's going to be a section about Isaiah.
You think? So his story can be told?
Mm-hmm.
Is that him?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Now they'll never forget what you did for this country.
Oh no. Man.
Oh, back on the boat.
Bucky's got invited to the cookout. Aw, BFFs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah!
Captain
that was
America
so
and the Winter
good!
Soldier.
Captain America and the Winter Soldier. Appropriate. I love it.
See it?
Oh!
You see it?
And it got the win!
Oh!
I don't mean that's his name yet, though.
Captain
That doesn't mean
America.
that's his name.
Captain
That's
America.
That's just a new suit.
A Captain America suit.
Captain America.
Get my man his money. Captain America. In the museum, inducted him. That'd be
That's
so
dope.
fire if they did
That's
that,
dope.
bro. Give him recognition of being what he was, what he did for the country.
Wow, that's him?
Nah, this episode's so powerful, bro. Oh man, my heart.
I know, right?
My heart, bro. Damn.
You're a real guy,
Yeah,
man. You're a
man.
real one. You're a real one, Sam.
Yo, Wells, that's my Captain
Yeah,
America.
that's my,
From
Captain
the Fal-
America and the Winter Soldier right there. Right there.
Oh, Captain America
Yeah!
and the Winter
You see how I
Soldier!
said it?
Yeah! You quiet.
Oh shit! Oh my gosh, it looks badass!
So awesome! I love it!
Oh my gosh,
he
that looks really good,
amazing.
yeah.
Oh, that's so awesome! With the shield and everything! Oh, that was great.
I'm sorry, wait, who are you? Captain America.
Oh, look at him! Oh! Oh, that is gorgeous! Oh, that is so good! Oh my god, man. Oh, look at him!
Darren, Bucky, what's going on your end?
Nothing, all quiet.
I'm sorry, wait, who are you?
Captain America, homie!
Captain America was on the moon.
Do they got a little section for him? Oh, Isaiah. Oh, look at this. They gonna break my cheeks. Oh, dude, they're killing me. They and nice, bro. This is awesome. Oh my god. Now they're friends, right? Captain America and the Winter Soldier. Oh, they need to make a season 2. Captain America and the Winter Soldier. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, he looks amazing. Oh, he looks so good. That's just like his comic one. He looks so good, and he has a little shield thing. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, wait, who are you? Captain America.
Yes!
Captain America was on the moon. Now they'll never forget
Again.
what you did for this country.
Oh my god. Sam is just such a good person. Is that the end? Oh, okay, they're back in Louisiana. Bucky's part of the family. Oh, Bucky. They're best friends. They're best friends. That's it. They're best friends. Captain America and the Winter Soldier.
Oh!
Oh my god! That's cool as hell! Oh, I fucking love this shit all day.
That is a dope suit.
Oh, and it with the shield on it. Ah, I love it.
I'm sorry, wait, who are you? Captain America.
Hell yeah.
Oh, bitch.
Chills. Take that shit. Let's go.
I saw what you did out there, and seems so did everyone else. I heard the GRC was standing down on those plans of theirs. You must have done something right. I ain't gonna lie, you're special.
Thank you.
Yes, he is.
I mean, you ain't no Malcolm or Martin Mandela, but
No argument there, but I know what I've got to do.
a black Captain America, huh?
Damn right.
The fight you taking on ain't gonna be easy, Sam.
Yeah, I might fail. I'm not gonna let anybody tell me I can't fight for it. Not after what everybody before me went through, including you.
Shit. I almost bought that.
I like this guy.
Hey, why don't you clean up? There's something I want to show you.
Oh, come on.
Did he get this dude a wing in the...
Come on.
See? Sam is such a good fucking dude.
Yeah, he's just like a really good person. Oh my god, he's got like everything.
Now they'll never forget what you did for this country. Never.
Okay. I'm not crying, you're crying. Ooh, that's so nice.
Wow. Wow.
I want some pecan pie.
There's so much emotion in this show.
Dude, I literally cried the entire episode.
Feeling it.
Yeah. I'm a wreck right now. I can't breathe. Wow. That was amazing.
Captain America and the
Captain
Winter
America
Soldier.
and the Winter Soldier.
instead of Falcon.
Oh
and the
my
Winter
god, I didn't even notice that. So cool.
Captain.
You look good! Yeah! I can't stop it!
Now they'll never forget what you did for this country. Yeah.
I'm crying for real. It's make believe, Amber. Wow. Oh, it's not over. It's not over. It just started. Keep telling you. God. Hey, yes.
Uncle Buck.
They got stepdaddy. Ain't no uncle, that's stepdaddy. Just strong. Yes. Yes. I don't know how I do it. You know the black aunties be like, hey. This is so good. When I tell y'all, this is like the most relatable Marvel thing that I've ever watched in my life. This was a good time. This was needed. This was perfect. Captain America! Yes! Oh, it was so good. Oh, they did it. Yes. Y'all be all right. Like y'all are all right. Oh wow. I don't feel like I have anything to say. This is all I can do. I'm happy to have been here.
So good.
I'm Captain America.
Oh, dimasukin sejarah nih.
Ada nama dia di situ.
Jadi udah bisa keluar lagi nih si ininya ya.
Iya.
Harus sembunyi.
Isaiah Bradley.
Perjuangan dia dulu nih kayaknya.
Iya nih kayaknya nih. Yo.
Disampein semua Mas Sam. Pemerintah.
Isaiah Bradley.
Wow.
Dijadiin pahlawan nasional.
Iya, masuk museum bikinin
Anjir.
Itulah.
Kok kayak Pak Karno ya?
Thank you.
Iya ya, mirip-mirip ya.
Kayak nanti kalau meninggal di TMP deh.
Ini mereka takkan mengangkat jasamu. Ya.
Never. Anjing. Oh my god.
Jangan nangis banget.
Damn. That's deep. Udah.
Udah nih habis.
Oh. Bakar-bakaran dulu. Pesta. Kapal.
Oh, di kapal. Bisa di kapal.
Tumpengan dulu aja, guys.
Cela udah main-main sama anaknya. Ye.
Udah bisa senyum lebar gitu ya. Anjir.
Lantungan.
Work gitu anjir.
Cela foto sama Black Captain America.
Sam, kita kaya.
Jangan pemerintah, guys. Dapat dana pensiun, ayo. Jual ke Steve dari mana gitu tiba-tiba. Waduh.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Aku bangga padamu. Nah,
Ya. Captain America and the Winter Soldier.